Hello everyone, Hamel here with a daily market update. First, a quick disclaimer. Okay, let's look at Spider's daily chart. So this was doing okay until last few minutes when the news came out that Pfizer and BioNTech will not be able to provide or supply initial expectations of 100 million doses. Instead, it would be probably like 50 million, but they still expect to supply a lot of doses next year, about close to 1 billion doses. So let's go back to the daily chart. So pretty much flat. So this is the blue line projection that I have. So I'm looking for SPY to at least have another leg higher to the top of the blue line. And that is when, if that happens, that is when I will liquidate my 401k back to cash. So right now I am 35% allocated in a mutual fund that tracks S&P 500. I did sell another one of my stocks, so I am 97.58% in market now of all my investable assets. Now, this will stay at a minimum at 35 to 40% because I have a long-term holding, which I'm not going to sell. I'm going to hold it through ups and downs. So at no point would my exposure be under that percentage. So again, 62 days, 9.469% gain so far. So you can look for the other indexes as I pull through. Let's look at Qs. So again, that's the projection right there. So that's what I'm looking for with a goal to sell or rebalance my 401k to cash when this comes closer to the top of the blue line. So Qs was higher by 0.14%. It was actually doing much better. Same thing if you look at the 15-minute chart, a lot of selling came in at the end of the day. IWM up 0.56%. Same story here. This is what I'm looking for. Nice gains here, as you can see, since I entered back here. Let's look at 50, which is a growth IBD. Again, it continues a slow uptrend here. So, well, nothing wrong with that. 0.20% there. ACWI. Another flat day. Dow, another flat day. So as we can see, not much movement today. Again, sentiment continues to be at nosebleed levels. That being said, it can continue to be at that level and market can still continue to go up because that's just a condition indicator, which doesn't really mean that it always leads to downside. It does normally, but it takes some time before that may materialize. So meanwhile, let's go back to Spiders. The price continues to trickle up, and that's all I have. So any money I'm liquidating, or any stock I'm liquidating into cash, I'm just leaving it on the sidelines for now. I am not reinvesting. That's why I am down to 97.589%. That money will stay on the sidelines until the market corrects, or it doesn't correct and just goes sideways and sets up again, and then I'll start to put capital back to work. Also, a lot of breakouts are not working right now, so that's another reason why I am cashing out a little bit here and trying to consolidate my position so I can manage it better. So that's all I have. I hope this helps. Take care. Have a good one.